I am sick. I have a cold. My throat is dry and I cough a lot. To help my throat, I drink a lot of water and I drink hot tea. Hot tea helps my throat when I have a cold. I also use cough drops. Cough drops are also called lozenges. When I suck on a cough drop, it helps my throat. Because I have a cold, I sneeze a lot. I have a box of tissues. I use a tissue when I sneeze. Ugh. My nose is stuffy. That means not much air gets through when I breathe. I use a tissue to blow my nose. Sometimes I have a runny nose when I have a cold. A runny nose means that mucus comes out of your nose. And then I have to wipe my nose with a tissue. When I have a cold, I get very tired. I am going to bed early so I can get a lot of sleep.